Hello, in this video I want to show you how to claim Deluxe Edition items in Baldur's Gate 3. And to do this, first let's make sure that we have Deluxe Edition. So to do that you will need to open your Steam, then find the Baldur's Gate 3 in your library, right click on it and go to Properties. Inside there's the DLC, and here I have the Digital Deluxe Edition, and you should get it when you bought the game in Early Access. Now we can move on to the game, and right here we need to go to our camp. You can do this by clicking on this bonfire button in the bottom right corner of our screen. Now when you're inside the camp, we can find the traveler chest, and it should be marked like this on your minimap. When you click on it, inside you will find all of the items from Deluxe Edition. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.